Can't wait to see that. All right, now, how much have you been caring for your car that's probably sitting in the driveway? Learn more in this video with Janine Golightly, taped before social distancing.
How good are you at taking care of your own car? I'm here with Scott Huntsman at Tunex. Scott, tell us how we can do this better, and do not tell me to get this out and read this entire manual.
Well, now, Janine, this is the first question I'm going to have for you: is how many times have you read your owner's manual?
A dozen.
I know the answer already because I was the one who got it out for you. But you know, the owner's manual has a lot of very critical information. New cars, these that are made today. You know, people ask us all the time, when's it time for a tune-up on my car? A tune-up is kind of a passé word, really, in a sense. There's nothing to tune. Your car tunes itself.
Nice.
So all we do is we do the maintenance. We just replace the parts that it wants, that the manufacturer wants, at certain intervals.
Okay.
When are those intervals? Well, right here, listed within the owner's manual. This will tell us everything about it.
You mean this has been here the whole time?
It's been here the whole time, and it's a great book because it will just tell you at different time and mileage intervals that will tell you the best things to have to do. Now, some of those are simple. Some of those could be an air filter, changing the oil. Of course, you could bring it to a place like we have here to do those simple things, but you can do some of those simple ones yourself. Other ones involve harder parts. Engines timing belts, for example. That's something that has to be done by a professional because there's a lot involved.
Right.
And it can be expensive, but overall, doing that type of maintenance is going to save you money in the long run.
And that's what we want, right?
Exactly, yes.
All right, you are just full of great information.
Oh, that's what we like to be.
All right, Tunex, Scott at Tunex. You got an offer for us.
We have an offer for us. We're still giving $10 off, and we're going to do it to any service, but a maintenance type service, I'll even give 15 off.
Oh, awesome. All right, come into your local Tunex. Thanks so much, Scott.
Thank you.